Hi, if you're looking for a modern and compact double story home, this three-bedroom maisonette is a perfect option. So in this video, I'm going to explain the design and layout that makes this home both stylish and practical for family living. From the outside, this maisonette features a clean and modern architectural design. Large windows and well-designed balcony enhance the beauty of the house while allowing natural light and proper ventilation. The entrance porch creates a welcoming feel as you step inside the home. On the ground floor, you are welcomed into a spacious lounge area designed for relaxation and entertaining guests. Next to the lounge is the dining area, which is conveniently located close to the kitchen. The kitchen is modern and functional with enough space for cabinets, appliances, and food preparation. A pantry may also be included for extra storage. When moving to the upper floor, the house features three bedrooms designed to provide comfort and privacy. The master bedroom is en suite and may include a balcony and wardrobe space. The other two bedrooms are well sized and share a common bathroom. So one of the biggest advantage of this maisonette uh, is efficient use of space. By building upwards, you create more living space while still leaving room for parking and outdoor activities within the compound. So this design is an ideal for a plot such as a 50 by 100. Uh-huh. A three-bedroom maisonette combines modern style, functionality, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for small to medium sized family. So if you need a similar, uh, sorry, if you like house plants for these designs or any designs in our YouTube channel, or you also need a professional construction services, kindly contact us on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, also like our videos, and West Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home. Bye. Have a lovely day, a lovely evening, depending on where you are watching us from. Thank you, and feel free to ask any question, and we'll always be ready to answer. Bye.